I don't know if it's a goat, a cow, or a donkey. But a video I circulate now with a Jamaican scammer claim them a do some ritual and the man a grind the goat, the cow, or a donkey. It have the internet confused. When I see the video, me say yo is a goat. But somebody I said to me say yo that too big for be a goat is a donkey. When some other people I say is a cow, people, it confusing as you can see. Everybody don't know what it is. You understand what I say? If you want to see the video, go on Google and search for mountain.com and watch the video on that website. But I'm not tell no lie. What it is to me is a goat. Some people say a donkey, but if it's a donkey, I think a donkey I gotta lay down there and make a man dip on top of it and do this to it and kick it off. Or if it's a cow, you think him have the strength for hold down the cow and I grind out the cow like that. People, I'm not tell no lie. This confusing very, very bad. Because the something they even move. Wonder if it's alive or not. You understand me? The thing just dead lay down on it back. I get grind by that money. You understand what I say, people? And let's say it is alive. And it's not a ritual him do. And he just do it because him can't get no woman. People, it seems like the cow, the goat or the donkey been a endure this for a long time now. Because there's something now move. You understand what I say? Just think about it. If it's a cow, the cow fear move and I move up hard and I giddy up and I kick him off, or the donkey I giddy up and I kick him off or something. But the thing just stay lay down skin out. You understand what I say? So almost a long time he might do it to the goat or the cow or the donkey. We don't know what it is. What you go watch the video and come back and comment and tell me what you think. But God know, people. This video is sickening. I'm not tell no lie. And the thing again, if it's not a ritual, him do people, and him just do it because he can't get front a sell for $1,000 on a back road, you know, say to him, say that man and have $1,000 in him name, and him is a scammer. Like, come on now, do better. But me I say it was a ritual, I'm over man tell him to do it, and him do it. But I don't care where him do, it does confusing to we want to know if it's a cow, goat, or a donkey. Comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think.